Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and today we are making teriyaki grilled chicken thighs with Asian slaw on sourdough gluten-free bread. Yummy! Okay, Chef Michael here, and we're making a quick dinner or lunch. Now what I did was I marinated these chicken thighs in teriyaki sauce, ginger, garlic. I did what's called a short marinade for about a half hour, okay? And these are boneless chicken thighs. Now, I don't care what anybody tells you, you cannot grill marinated teriyaki chicken and do it all the way done. It's gonna be raw inside. I do the two-step method. First, you just put grill marks and you sear on high on a grill. I did it on the stovetop grill and or outside of the grill, but you're just searing it. You're not cooking it, okay? Because if you try to cook it, there's sugar in the teriyaki sauce. It will burn before it's done. So here now, see we have the nice grill marks. I have it up on a rack, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in a 450 degree oven. I don't know, for about 8 or 9 minutes. Okay, here it is. Chicken thighs, broccoli slaw, grilled sourdough bread, got some fresh fruit. Absolutely yummy meal. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.